Viviane from Life and View. Nice to see you again. Come in. Today I want to show you one of our IRS townhouses. We have a very nice open spacious living area opening up to a private garden with a private space. Master bedroom with a walk-in closet and big bathroom on this side, and just see this amazing view. It's just so beautiful. So I think summarizing, I can say that this property is very special because it's very centralized within the Azuri village, but at the same time you're quite private, you're quite isolated, you're just facing the river and the mangroves. So it's a really nice tropical lifestyle. So if you want to have more information, just give me a call.